Hey everyone, welcome to Lesson 3, Proving Lines Parallel. In the previous lesson, we used parallel lines to find congruent and supplementary relationships of angle pairs. However, in this lesson, we'll do the converse. You will use the congruent and supplementary relationships of the special angle pairs to prove lines parallel. So you may feel like you've heard these theorems before, but because it's the converse, it's just reversed. Before we begin, it's essential for you to understand that you can use certain angle pairs to decide whether two lines are parallel. Our first postulate is our converse of the corresponding angles postulate. If two lines in a transversal form corresponding angles that are congruent, then the lines are parallel. So if you have angle 2 is congruent to angle 6, then our line L must be parallel to line M. Now let's identify some parallel lines before we move forward with our lesson. We want to figure out which lines are parallel if angle 1 is congruent to angle 2 and justify our answer. I'm going to take away some angles and just focus on angle 1 and angle 2. We know that angle 1 and angle 2 are corresponding angles, and from the postulate we just learned, if angle 1 is congruent to angle 2, then A must be parallel to line B by the converse of the corresponding angles postulate. Okay, so this concludes our side for converse of the corresponding angles postulate. We'll continue on with our converse for alternate interior angles and converse of same side interior angles.